Guess what time it is? Hey everybody, welcome back to Design Time. Today we are going to be making some wall and room decor, DIY. Anyway, I've been seeing these items a lot lately and I am loving them but not willing to pay the price for what they are. In front of me I have a ton of stuff. First, let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. I've seen this decor on Etsy, Amazon, some specialty plant stores, and the prices range anywhere from $30 to over $100. And I'll share with you guys how much I paid as opposed to how much you could pay. As you can tell from the pictures, it is a round succulent wall hanging, and the base of it looks like this. Now, when I mentioned the price range that I've seen these, when I started at $30, it was just for this thing, nothing in it. When it gets into the 80s, 90s, or $100, it includes all the stuff that goes in it. But we are going to put the stuff in it ourselves. I got these at Target and they were $5 each, but I think they were having 50% off, so yeah. Do the math. What I purchased to go in these, I guess, could be pretty much anything you want, but of course, succulents. Well, fake succulents. I'm a stager, for crying out loud, so fake is the way to go. Look, these are all little pieces of succulents. Here, let's just do this. A lot of these I purchased from Target, and some are from the dollar store. You can find these pretty much anywhere. And this big bad boy right here has a lot of air plants on it, which I love air plants too. It's a wreath, and I got this from Pier 1 for, I don't know, $15. And you can just take the succulents right off because I don't really feel the need to have a succulent wreath in my house. And there's these fun hanging ones too. And then lastly, I got this on Amazon. It says cute stuff inside, entirely succulents. It should say entirely fake succulents, but I think there's 7 of them in here. So yeah, variety of faux succulents. Also from the dollar store, rocks, more rocks. Target rocks, which I have used these for staging, and we're going to give them a whirl for these things. These are also from the dollar store, and it's that florist foam. I don't think we'll need this. And when I mention getting stuff at Target, it's in that dollar section when you first walk in. Oh, I forgot. Moss. We'll see if we use it. I think I'm going to put the moss on the bottom so we have 2 layers of green, one being moss and the other being faux succulent. Don't try this at home. All right, I'll put this up here. So we have the circle. Ooh, it's standing. And I'm going to tear apart a little bit of this moss. It's dark green and light green. Throw that in there. Now, sometimes I will do DIYs where I know what I'm doing. This is a DIY that we're just trying something, but I'm pretty sure it'll work out. And then I think I will use these rocks from Target and then these rocks from the dollar store. See, to me that already looks pretty. And then these white ones. You have to look at both sides. My side's prettier, see? See the moss. Oh, that's because it's the front of it. Yeah, this is what matters. I think I want some to hang out. I do have these. He wants to help. Just stick the stick in the back. That's better. And then, let's see. We have another color that's not too big. Oh yeah, here. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, that just kind of fell apart, but that's okay. We're just setting it on top. I broke it. Never mind. Let's do another one. Bye. Okay, this orangey one I like a lot. Has to go in the back of the rock. Okay, we have to decide if 2 succulents is enough. And I'm going to say no, and I'm also going to say I need more rocks. So that was a whole bag of the rocks that were $1. Okay, we have room for a tiny one. It's just a baby. And we'll poke that. All right, I think I am finished with this one. For my first succulent wall hanging, I'm not too disappointed with this. I am, however, tempted to put real succulents in this one because you guys know I have them. So let's do one more. We know that it works and that it looks good. Ooh, let's calculate the price of this. Do we want to do it what the original price was or what you can, because I paid $2.50 for this, but let's say 5, 6 the rocks, 7 the other rocks, I don't know, pennies for the moss, and we'll say that each of these are $1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're looking at $10 for this guy, and if you've seen them online, you know that they are much more expensive. Let's start this one with white rocks on the bottom, just a few. And then some of these bigger rocks. These rocks actually look like they are from my backyard, from the dollar store. You know what I mean? They're not, you know, smooth or shiny. I'm gonna put moss on the top this time. It does not smell delicious. Okay, let's put, I like this one. This came from the wreath because there is styrofoam on it still. You know, if these aren't waterproof or able to hold water, I don't see why air plants wouldn't be a fantastic idea. I have one of those. No, I like this, but it's too long. See if I have wire cutters. It's my chair. I'm pretty sure these are garden shears. Even better, pruning shears. It doesn't look messy enough, but there you go. How do I make this untidy? Put more succulents in it? Sure. Is this one already in there? Let's put another one. This way it looks like the succulents are doing so well that they can't help but grow outside of this. All right, let's hang around the wall and take a peek at them. I have one more, which I'll do off camera. All right, you guys, I think that's it for, they're over there. That's why I'm looking over there. As far as supplies go, I think that the round planter would be the hardest thing to find. That's for a good price anyway. Again, I found mine in the dollar section of Target, but I know that they're not there anymore. If I were to price each one of those succulent planters for what I paid for them, it would be like $4 or $5 each. But if you're paying full price for succulents and rocks and moss and the planters, you're looking at around $10 or $11. I would say that that is a lot better than what I have seen them for online, faux and real. I would like to try real. Anyway, that is it for me and the DIY succulent wall/room decor. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Design Time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.